Hold on there. Watch all fridge and wash it. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, look there, man. Lie. Whole life place and drop out. Where?
Don't bother come back at 9 mile. Don't bother come back at 9 mile. Don't bother the bridge bus.
Bridge bus out.
The bridge bus out.
Hold on, you're mad.
Yeah.
Come hold on at this water.
They can't even pass now, so stay away there. Don't bother come back. Let them come over here. One water come through my house, water come through field also. Yeah, so it's going to vote for Labour.
What's in there? Just come out. Just come out.
People, this is the current situation of Stand Up Hill Garden Town. The entire road gone. Entire road is gone. Look at it. The entire road and Garden Town is gone. This is just a walking thing. The entire road, nothing is left. Nothing is left of the road. The entire thing gone to the river. Only walk foot. This is very urgent in Garden Town. The main road in Garden Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Garden Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road.